What's up guys, Orbit here today. We're going to be doing 2 kills, 2 headshots, and I'm here with Blizzard. Say what's up, Blizzard.
What's up?
I'm going to have headshots. Yeah, so if you don't know what 2 kills, 2 headshots is, you have to get 2 kills, 2 headshots, and then we trick shot. And, okay, we're there. Let's go. So yeah, let's see if we... Wow, I didn't even... So let's see if who... Oh, don't die. Don't die. Don't let me die. Don't die. Okay.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Ooh.
Are they perfect drop back or something? I bet they are. I just landed on dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oh, they're perfect drop back, just to let you know. No, they're not. They just had to disappear. Which isn't good, but oh well. Let's see if I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna hit before you, but oh well, I can just tell.
No, I am.
Nah, I'm hitting. Ah, wow. Kill me. Actually, no, no. I have to get the reload.
Ow, bot. Dang, I'm trick shotting.
I love the shot. It looks so clean, and it's like really easy to hit. I feel like a wow or something on the end of my shot, because this looks like, it looks clean.
Wow.
Yeah. That'd have been so funny.
Alright, if that hits, I'm sorry.
Okay, never mind. Let's get going. Oh, wait, let me see if I can hit this little cheeky, I can never do these ladder stalls. I can't do them. Oh well. Oh, do all that. This is perfect. You ready? I'm gonna hit this. I'm hitting it right here. There's like 7 of them all in a row. That is perfect. Stop that massacre. You ready? I'm hitting. You ready? I'm hitting this. Yes!
Oh.
I said I was gonna hit it. I don't know if I landed, but I didn't get the reload either. If I landed, I'm not gonna do it. But oh well.
You're doing a rematch, cause that's some bull. Dang it!
I did win. It's fine. We're gonna do 2 games. It's fine.
Alright, we're doing it on carrier this time.
Yeah. Okay. So this is game 1. We're now gonna go into game 2. So yeah.
We're gonna do this again.
So yeah, I'm back on map 2. I'm still here with Blizzard. Say what's up, Blizzard. This map we're going to be doing standoff. But before I get into the billing, of course, it's going to be me.
I do.
Well, my client did a recruitment challenge yesterday. We just recently hit 0.4k. I think Blizzard might be going for it. Are you going to go for it, Blizzard? Come on. Gotta go for it.
Man, I don't know. Because I might not claim, you know. Really?
Well, yeah, we did it because we recently hit 0.4k, so I'll put a link down in the description if you guys want to go look at it, of course. I have terrible accuracy, so yeah, I'll put a link down in the description for you guys if you want to check it out.
Alright, man, watch.
Headshot. Got it. Ready for this? I'm gonna hit right now. Going for blicky, nice trick shots. Yes!
Bro!
Oh yes, I hit it.
Oh, I didn't get the trick shot. I was throwing freaking tomahawks in the air.
Yeah! Ah!
Crap. They was setting up.
So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. Blizzard will be in a few more videos, I can just tell. So if you guys like the video, comment, like, and subscribe for more. So, peace.